Hi everyone, welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make perfect sushi rice. Did you know what it's called sushi rice in your country? It's not really sushi rice. It's just rice, not only for sushi, it's for everything, every day, just a plain rice. And to make real sushi rice, you need to put the sushi rice and sushi vinegar together. And today I'm going to show you how. Let's get started. So these are what you need to make sushi rice. I have 2 cups of sushi rice or Japanese short grain sticky rice in this pot, just cooked steaming hot. And I have some ingredients for sushi vinegar. Large shallow bowl like this, and I'm using wooden bowl today, but you can use any other large bowl. Spatula, and you also need fan. Fan is very important, so don't forget to prepare fan. If you don't have this kind of fan, you can just use thin magazine, thick paper, cardboard, whatever, you can replace this fan. And as I said, you need to put this rice with sushi vinegar. And sushi vinegar is available off the shelf in a bottle, but it's very easy to make from scratch, so let's make it from scratch today. For 1 cup of rice, you need 1 tablespoon of sugar, half a teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons vinegar. And today I have 2 cups of rice here, so I have 2 tablespoons of sugar here, 1 teaspoon of salt, 4 tablespoons of vinegar. And this vinegar I'm using today is rice vinegar, but if you can't find rice vinegar, you can use wheat vinegar too. Prepare a little bowl like this that you can microwave, and I'm adding 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 4 tablespoons of vinegar. And you want to dissolve sugar and salt. So you can make this in a little saucepan or something and bring it to boil to dissolve sugar and salt. But today, let's cheat and microwave this. So I microwaved it about 1 minute or so. Sugar and salt all dissolved. So this is the sushi vinegar. Now I'm going to put this together with rice. So let's put this just cooked steaming hot rice into this bowl here. And if you don't know how to cook this rice, I have a video, so I put the link in the description below. So I have the rice in this bowl, and I'm adding this sushi vinegar I've just made all over this just cooked steaming hot rice. And at the beginning, it's very soggy. You can see the vinegar at the bottom. So you want to evaporate the vinegar by mixing the rice and fanning the rice at the same time. And if you mix it like this, you will have sushi rice paste, which you really don't like. So you need to slice the rice like this. Slice as you fan. And I'm making it look very easy, but this is very difficult to coordinate 2 hands doing 2 different things. You need to practice. And if this is too difficult to slice and fan at the same time, you can slice, and then fan, and then slice, and then fan. This will do too. So I sliced and fanned the rice about 5 minutes. And when you see at the bottom of the bowl, you don't see any vinegar. So it's either soaked up or evaporated, so it's not soggy at all. And you can see the rice is slightly shiny from the sugar we put in. And you still see each grain of rice. I didn't mash it, so I made a perfect sushi rice. So this is everything for today. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, your sushi rice is not really sushi rice. Real sushi rice is combination of sushi rice, your sushi rice, and sushi vinegar together. I hope you enjoy making sushi using this real sushi rice. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye for now.